What if you could own a business that combines education, creativity, and real impact while building a profitable future? Challenge Island is a STEAM-based educational enrichment business, delivering hands-on programs to children ages 4 to 14 through schools, camps, parties, and community events. This mobile business runs directly inside schools and community locations, meaning no expensive storefront and low overhead. Founded in 2002 and now operating in more than 150 locations, Challenge Island has served over 5 million children and partners with more than 15,000 schools and organizations nationwide. Programs focus on science, technology, engineering, art, and math, while helping kids develop creativity, problem-solving, and teamwork skills that parents and schools actively seek. The business operates in multiple high-demand markets, including after-school enrichment, summer camps, birthday parties, and educational events, creating diverse revenue streams throughout the year. The initial total investment starts at $48,300. Inside the full info pack, you will see what other owners are typically earning and insights into the day-to-day operations of this business. Add Challenge Island to your top picks and request the info pack now.